What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and it's the OPPO Reno 2! So this is the OPPO Reno 2. Last time we saw the other OPPO Reno, aka La Shark Fin phone. You get a 6.5-inch display here, resolution of 2400 by 1080. So that does mean you get a 20 by 9 aspect ratio for this device. Boom. I'm adding my... Oh, I look good. This is a good selfie camera. Holy shit. It's nice, huh? And I can say the optical in-display fingerprint scanner is pretty speedy. And it's like a different light. Usually, I think the optical was pretty fast too. Holy shit. I mean, powering this phone is a Snapdragon 730 coupled with an Adreno 618 GPU. Alright, testing this face unlock speed. Holy snap! Okay, ready? 3, 2, what? So we also get expandable storage on this guy up to 256 gigs. But what's really new here with the OPPO Reno DOS is you now have a quad camera setup that sits flush under the back glass, which is a totally awesome design, by the way. You got no camera bump on this guy. You do get that ceramic little nipple here so that when you place it flat on a surface, you know, it doesn't scratch up the glass in front of the quad camera setup. So for camera sensors, we get a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 13 megapixel telephoto, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. So I guess OPPO is kind of borrowing a little trick from Huawei when they had that monochrome sensor into their phone. Also powering this guy up is a 4000 milliamp hour battery, and I mean, I can't contest for the battery life just yet. So you guys might want to stay tuned for our full review regarding all of those other stuff. Alright, so this was the OPPO Reno 2. 6.5-inch display, 4000 milliamp hour battery, Android 9 Pie out of the box. You get 8 gigs of RAM with 128 or 256 gigs of internal storage in this guy. Snapdragon 730, Adreno 616 GPU. The expandable storage is not dedicated. It's a hybrid slot. Tell us what you think about the OPPO Reno 2 in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.